for a second. So I've been trying to establish assets, turned a few, and we have to finish off some of the RICO stuff to even have the money to finish off the establishment of the company. They completely put all the assets that I tried to bring to the police to work with them, which in accordance with the executive order against the cartels and so on and so forth, I turned two main assets, one giving, I have an signed affidavit for one about the Epstein case. No one is bringing any of this information forth. They just like bottled it up and tried to act like it didn't exist while I was there. So as far as employees, we haven't quite got to that point. Was trying to get to that point, but we are impeded by the police officers themselves because they're participating in cartel activities, which all the evidence points to. I have about 300 pages of just one-page description of just the files of evidence. Is about 300 pages.
Did you address that with the FBI?
The FBI has not responded accordingly either, which I'm not sure why that is, but I need coordination and a place to deposit all evidence and investigators or detectives to work with, so that I can make sure that the obstruction isn't happening for a treasonary reason. Because my original report is on treason, so it appears that has just compounded upon itself and trying to prevent me. It would be case 23HF1007.
23HF
1007 out of Orange County.
1007.
Yeah, I was incarcerated when I first reported. I have the first couple pages in my files here. Do you want to see it?
Which
23 pages.
Which agency is this?
That would be Harbor Court was filed at in Orange County.
So this is the Harbor Court case number.
Yes.
Not a police report?
That's a Harbor Court case number, yes. I have the beginning of the file here so you can understand the context. I have it here, and I also have the RICO case that has pretty much this all detailed here. Probably take a copy of this and that will give you the most information. Here's the RICO case, and okay, so this is the current case that's filed right now in your court, and I'm waiting for all of them to actually give all the records to, where did I put them? I think it's all in there. Yes. This will really need to take a copy of this.
I can't view that.
What do you mean you can't view that?
That's evidence, right?
Yes.
That's
Well,
evidence
this
of
is
an existing case. I can't view that.
No, this is just the case that I wrote. This is the
Okay,
story, the beginning story. Why
I
can't you
view
read
that.
it? Why not?
That's part of an existing case. You already have that case open.
No, that case closed. I won. It got dismissed.
Okay, so if it's closed, I can't read that either.
It's the corruption is based on this case. They're
So what is it that what's
which is a
corrupted?
treason. Well, they're working with the cartel.
Okay, so
Carson was my focus of my investigation.
Okay, is
No.
that a person or an agency?
It's a process. So like what they do is that when they take over and can control the police houses, my original report is
Okay,
on.
Joshua, I am so confused. You are going.
It's been over
Okay,
3 years of
I
reporting
can
and
document
obstruction.
a simple.
It's been 3 years of obstruction.
Okay, so that's
I'm
the
sorry.
thing you can address with the agency. So
They
which
refused.
agency?
They refused to
Okay,
put me
who's
in
they?
contact with public
Who's
affairs.
they?
Laguna Beach Police Department and any
So
of the
you're having
any
an issue with Laguna Beach PD.
Yes, there you
Okay.
go.
Okay, so Laguna Beach PD, and what is it about Laguna Beach PD that you're having issues with?
They don't take lawful reports, and they are fabricating evidence against homeless individuals to either capture them into being committed
And
or
not taking lawful reports and fabricating evidence, you said?
Yes, I have video of them refusing an attempted murder report. So like one asset basically threatened to murder the other from jail, and like this whole threat process started, which is documented, and they refused to do any protection on either end or
Laguna
take
Beach
any
PD
lawful reports.
not taking
lawful
reports and fabricating evidence.
Assisting cartels.
What's the report number on that?
They refused to give report numbers. I was assaulted. They refused to. My nose was broken. They didn't refuse to.
Do you need any kind of medical attention?
No, I do have a report number on that one.
Where was your nose broken at?
A church. I was attempting to prevent an assault and fight, and I ended up getting assaulted.
When was this?
It was like a month or two ago, and they never completed anything with that. I have a series of emails of all the reports I sent to them. They called and confirmed that
Did you
they.
see that a doctor?
Yes, I did. I have a doctor
Okay.
report and everything. I have the email and the evidence in digital form.
And you said this happened a month or two ago. So
A month or two ago,
this
yeah.
was, what, in September, October?
Yeah, let me see if I can pull up.
Do you know who what's the officer's name you spoke with?